Okay guys, so I think about a week ago I posted a video on how to convert a UR65 to this pusher whip here, and I'll link that video down in the description. You can check that out. And I also posted this conversion on my community page just because I wanted to let some people know that this VWhip 90 is on promotion now for $53. So basically this UR65, or I'm sorry, UK or US 65 conversion, I think that was actually even cheaper. It was like $69. Well, if you go this route, this is even cheaper, but you do have to do a little bit more work. So I guess, you know, if you're willing to, if you have the skills to do some soldering and do a little bit more work, you can get this project for a little bit cheaper and get some bigger motors here. So this one here, this is an eSheen product. I did a review on this a long time ago. I'll link it in the description. It's called the VWhip 90. It basically has all the same whip parts. It's got the Crazy Bee F3 board, and you have your what are these, 0802 motors, I think, 0802 and 19,000 kV motors. They're eSheen branded, but they're made by Happy Model. You've got a same 25 milliwatt video transmitter. So those are all the parts in here. So the all-in-one camera video transmitters here. You got your motors, and of course the flight controller was under here. So if you buy this for $53, you have to basically steal the parts out of it. And the motor wires on the back motors are longer because it has this mechanism here that flips the motors up to make it a hovercraft. And so you have to shorten those by cutting them. And so what I did was I actually cut the wire shorter to save weight, and I removed the plugs and direct soldered the motor wires to the Crazy Bee board, and did the rotation like as I mentioned before. Flipped it over, rotated it, battery goes in sideways, and I also changed the plug to a solid pin plug, and put the camera here, and just used some dental floss to secure the camera. So the difference between the 0802 19,000 kV and the 0603 19,000 kV motors, these basically weigh about the same. They're about 19.7 grams each. In the setup here, I think the 0802s are going to be a little bit better for gates and like racing, and I think the 0603 is going to be better for freestyle acro. That's sort of my preliminary guess based on these two builds. In terms of the way they look and fly indoors and stuff, it looks the same. So if you want to see how it flies, just watch the previous video here. On this one, this flies just about the same. It's just the feel is different in terms of the way it turns and stuff. If you're a beginner, you're not going to know the difference. It's only if you've flown a lot you'll be able to tell the difference. The difference is subtle, and they weigh the same. It's just the way it flies is a little bit different in terms of the way the handling is. But if you want to build it cheaper, the frame's $5. Obviously you're going to scavenge your parts off of the VWhip 90 for $53, so it's a $58 build. So it's about $10 cheaper, $11 cheaper than the previous video I put out. So I wanted to make another video just to let you guys know that this was a possibility. You just have to do a little bit more work because the motor wires are a little bit longer on those longer plugs for the back motors. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. So I'll link all those videos down in the description, as well as the links to these parts. And yeah, if you want to see flight footage, just watch the previous video on this guy. It's about the same. Hopefully this is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.